Yeah, we did have some really good news in the courthouse here, and if I can, I'll just share a message I got from our district attorney. Exciting news. The Wyoming County District Attorney's Office has applied for and has been approved to receive a federal grant from the Department of Justice to help local residents with addiction and mental health issues. The total grant award is $600,000. I'd like to thank Michael Donahue, Georgette Smith, Commissioner Tom Henry, and Detective David Ide for assisting me with this application. And boy, was it an application. Thank you. Project description is the Wyoming County District Attorney's Office will establish a peer recovery support program to improve access to treatment for overdose survivors and their family. The certified recovery specialist will meet with patients in the emergency department and throughout the community, and will coordinate referrals, warm handoffs to behavioral health agencies within Wyoming County. So I thought that was awesome news, and that I should let everyone know.
That is awesome news, fantastic.
Yep.
Recovery support program, there's a word right before that.
Oh, sure. The recovery support program. The Wyoming County District Attorneys will establish a peer recovery support program. And this is just Wyoming County. We don't have to share this with any other county. No, it's ours. We went after it ourselves and got it, and it's ours. Any unfinished business?
I got something over here.
Sure.
I met with the last surviving commissioner from when our correctional facility was built, Richmond Simmons.
Okay.
Last week.
Awesome. Good
And
guy.
one of my questions, of course, I'm concerned about the cost of the jail, which
Sure.
we all know that. And I asked him if the building, from his recollection, was built that it could go up if possible. And he is, well, according to him, he is almost positive that that was in the design. Now, the same company that built that is who is doing the study for us right now.
Right.
And I'm sure that none of the players from back in the 80s are still around, obviously, so they're not there. I'm wondering if they looked into that, it might be a viable possibility of going up a floor if that building was constructed properly, as what he is almost positive in his recollection that it was supposed to have been built that way. And I would like to, talk to
Sure.
them and see, look at the original plans. Right now, if we're looking to put something down here, we're probably not even looking at the old plans and seeing if that's a viable possibility. I doubt if they are.
I do have the old plans in my office, and that was a question and a concern brought up. They say that we are locked, that it cannot be added to. The way that the structure of the building is, they could not go up. It's just unfeasible. But I have them in my office, the plans where the original plans of the jail, because that's the first thing we did, was try to figure out how to make that jail work.
Well,
And we're still doing that. I mean, we haven't made any
I do hear what
decisions.
you're saying, Tom,
Yeah.
but if the company that did that before is the one that is doing the feasibility study.
They're not the same
And it's a
people
heck of a
anymore,
bigger
but
project to go and start from scratch again than it is to build, and
I
they do
totally,
have ulterior motives too,
I totally agree. But that has been brought up, but I'd be more than happy to bring it up again. Absolutely. I mean, it wasn't pushed, because we were just asking for a study. We weren't asking to build it, and so the study that they gave us said that jail is locked. It's landlocked, it can't go up, it can't go out, it can't go anywhere, there's just no more room, period. It's not,
And if he's right, if we look at the original contracts,
right,
if that was supposed to have been built so that it could be,
right.
then they'll reach a contract.
Yeah.
Of course, the statute of limitations is long gone.
And I think that's an awesome idea, and if that can be done, definitely we need to
I
look into
definitely
it.
wanna see if you looked at it.
Sure,
so.
sure, absolutely, I appreciate that. No, without a doubt.
And
I do
just
have
for
the
record,
original contracts
I'm
and
not wavering
everything
on my disagreement with the jail, so don't anybody construe that any other way here.
Well, I have to
I don't
worry
wanna
about,
see that in the paper.
I have to worry about that too. None of us wanna build a jail, none of us. I'm gonna skip around here a little bit. There's a resolution for Mashopin. It's not quite ready. I thought we had it this morning. It was, in reference to the pizza shop in Mashopin. And we'll have that for our work session on Thursday. Apologize. It wasn't finished.
When you have it, what's it all about? I mean, is it to remove the pizza shop finally?
No. It is to postpone
It is,
the pizza shop.
it is to, I believe, put $54,000 from projects back into housing rehab.
Right,
That's
the
what
money
our
that was,
resolution is for.
that was originally given to them, the $54,000, under the recommendation of the Housing and Redevelopment Authority, we've decided to put that money back into housing rehab, rather than tear the pizza place down for now.
Okay,
We're gonna reapply again later. The costs got astronomical, and the risks involved were too many.
and that's the, just for the record, that's the pizza shop that's next to the library, right?
Correct, correct.
It's in pretty bad shape.
It is, and I'm really concerned about that building. I think it should be boarded up and taken care of. We also have here a resolution, whereas the County of Wyoming will be undertaking a project under the Strategic Management Planning Program. It's a tech assistance and training that we're gonna do with the state, whereas Wyoming County wishes to participate, and whereas the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development makes available grant and aid to such projects through the Strategic Management Planning Program. Now therefore it be resolved that the Commissioners of County of Wyoming hereby authorizes the Wyoming County to make application for such grant on our behalf. The Commissioners of Wyoming County hereby allocates local resources in the amount of $0 to said project. So far, there isn't a cost involved. I make a motion that we do this.
Second.
Agreed.
So all in favor, say aye.
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 So did the training before.
Okay, it's for our work with the housing department, and for our redevelopment. It'll be people from the state that'll spend as much time as needed here in the county, and we're able to do this through a grant, so that we all,
Be on the same page when reporting what we do and how we ask. Simple
simple
enough,
as that. It'll be, they're gonna come help us. We've had some issues, that all of us need some extra training in, and we wanna make sure that everything is by the book, and then that we understand every program, so nothing gets out of hand. Or we'll actually have people here with us over the next year or so to help us with that.
Basically,